Hi students, now we are going to discussing 12th standard max 4th unit 4th example sum. Okay, now listen. The given sum is find the domain of sin inverse 2 minus 3x square. Find the domain of sin inverse 2 minus 3x square. We know that the domain of sin inverse x. Do you know sin inverse x domain is domain of sin inverse x. This is lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Okay. Now we can write minus 1 less than or equal to 2 minus 3x square less than or equal to plus 1. Okay. Now we divide two cases. First one minus 1 less than or equal to 2 minus 3x square. And second one 2 minus 3x square less than or equal to plus 1. Okay, now we divide two cases. First we divide this first case. Okay, now listen. Minus 1 less than or equal to 2 minus 3x square. Now this 2 comes to left hand side minus 2. Okay, so minus 1 minus 2 less than or equal to minus 3x square. Here minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3 less than or equal to minus 3x square. Now we cancel both sides minus symbol. So the inequality will be changed. That is 3 is greater than or equal to x square. 3x square. Now we divide 3. We get the answer x square less than or equal to plus 1. Okay, x square comes to left hand side. 3 divided by 3. That is goes to right hand side. So x square is less than or equal to plus 1. And second case, what is our second case? 2 minus 3x square less than or equal to plus 1. Now 2 goes to right hand side minus 2. So the answer is minus 3x square less than or equal to 1 minus 2. So minus 3x square less than or equal to minus 1. We cancel both sides minus. So inequality should be changed. So what is the answer? 1 is less than or equal to 3x square. Okay. Now we can write 3x square greater than or equal to 1. And x square is greater than or equal to 1 by 3. 3 goes to right hand side in the divide. Okay. So x square greater than or equal to 1 by 3. Now we are going to grouping the two terms. Here x square less than or equal to 1. Okay. We grouping these two terms. We get the answer 1 by 3 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to 1. Okay. 1 by 3 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to 1. Now we taking square root, we get the answer 1 by root 3 less than or equal to, here we can write plus or minus x. So here plus or minus 1, but we write only modulus x. Okay, 1 by root 3 less than or equal to modulus x less than or equal to 1. Now we are going to draw a number line and discussing the intervals. Okay, this is already we studied in our 11th standard. Do you remember? Okay, now listen. First we draw the number line. First minus infinity to plus infinity. In center we write 0. Mark as 0. And 1 by root 3 plus or minus 1 by root 3 and plus or minus 1. First we mark minus 1 and here plus 1. And this place may be minus, consider minus 1 by root 3. Here plus 1 by root 3. Okay, we divide, this is first interval, that is minus infinity to minus 1. And second interval, here this minus 1 to minus 1 by root 3, this is our second interval. And minus 1 by root 3 to plus 1 by root 3, this is our third interval. And 1 by root 3 to plus 1, this is our fourth interval. And 1 to infinity, This is our fifth interval. So we are going to take, we assume a number and substitute the interval. Okay, our interval is 1 by 3 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to 1. We substitute in this interval, we substitute the numerical value. Here we assume that minus 2. We substitute in this place minus 2. Then what is the answer? We substitute minus 2, we get the answer 1 by 3 less than or equal to minus 2 whole square, that is plus 4 less than or equal to 1. This is right or wrong? 1 by 3 less than or equal to 4. This first one is right. But 4 is less than or equal to 1. This is wrong. Okay. So first interval not suitable. Okay. First interval is not suitable. So we cannot take the first interval. And we take second interval. Okay. We take the second interval. Second interval we select a numerical value. We assume here minus 1 by root 3. Root 3 value is 1.732. So minus 1 by 1.732. We divide minus 1. Approximately this is equal to minus 0.5 something. Okay. So here we take minus 0.9. I take minus 0.9. Okay. And we substitute in this interval. Okay. Minus 0.9. So 1 by 3. Here 0 minus 0.9 square. Minus square, that is positive, plus 0.9 square. 0.9 square means 0.81 and less than or equal to 1. This is possible or not? Listen, 1 by 3, that is 0.3 here. Okay, 0.33. Then this is possible. First part is possible. But 1 is less than or equal to 0.81. 1 less than 0.81. This is also possible. Okay, this is also possible. So second interval possible. This is right. Okay, now we take the third interval. We select the third interval. So here third interval is what? Minus 1 by root 3 to plus 1 by root 3. Okay, second interval is okay. Now we select minus 1 by root 3 to plus 1 by root 3. Clearly we can take 0. Okay, now we substitute 0. That is 1 by 3 less than or equal to 0 square means 0 and less than or equal to 1. 1 by 3 less than or equal to 0. This is possible or not? This is right or wrong? This is not right. This is wrong. And 0 less than or equal to 1. This is right. But 1 by 3 less than or equal to 0 is not equal. So third interval not possible. Third interval is not, we does not select third interval. So this is wrong. Okay. Next we take fourth interval. That is 1 by root 3 to 1. Here 1 by root 3 to 1. We select this. Here already we select minus 1 to minus 1 by root 3. What is the numerical value? Minus 0.9. Similarly, we take 0.9 and we substitute in this place. 1 by 3 less than or equal to 0.9 square. That is 0.81 less than or equal to 1. Here this is possible or not? 1 by 3, that is 0.33 less than or equal to 0.81. This is okay, right? And 0.81 less than or equal to 1. This is also right. So fourth interval is possible. This is right interval. Okay. So we select fourth interval. Okay. Fourth is right. And fifth interval 1 to infinity. Above more than 1. We select 2. Okay. And we substitute 2 in this place. Okay. 1 by 3 less than or equal to plus 2. Square 4 less than or equal to 1. This is possible. Right. Okay. But this is not possible. This is wrong. So we does not select the fifth interval. Okay. Now we grouping these two intervals. This is our record domain. That is minus 1 comma minus 1 by root 3 union 1 by root 3 comma plus 1. This is our record domain. Are you understand? Once again listen. Our domain is our record domain is what? Minus 1 to minus 1 by root 3 union plus 1 by root 3 comma 1. This is our bracket domain. Okay students, are you understand this sum? Okay, thank you.